Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Study and Learn. This is our 7th video on current affairs from November 15 to November 21st. There is a detailed information about different events happened in this week globally. Current affair उपरे आधारित ଏହି ଭିଡିଓଟିରେ ଚଳିତ ସପ୍ତାହରେ ଘଟିଥିବା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସାମ୍ପ୍ରତିକ ଘଟଣାବଳୀ ବିଷୟରେ ସୂଚନା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଯାହାକି ତୁମର ସାଧାରଣ ଜ୍ଞାନ ବଢ଼ାଇବା ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ କମ୍ପିଟେଟିଭ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମରେ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନରେ ତୁମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିପାରିବ. So without skip, watch the video till the end. Do like, share and subscribe to get our regular updates. Let's start with the first question. Sadat Rahman has been awarded the International Children's Peace Prize for his work to stop cyberbullying of teens. He is from which country? Bangladesh. Bangladeshର ସଦାତ ରହମାନ ସାଇବର ବୁଲିଂ ଉପରେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରି ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ସ ପିସ୍ ପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି. International Day for Tolerance is observed on which day? 16 ନଭେମ୍ବର. ନଭେମ୍ବର 16 ତାରିଖକୁ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଡେ ଅଫ୍ ଟଲରେନ୍ସ ଭାବରେ ପାଳନ କରାଯାଏ. Which day is observed as National Press Day? 16 ନଭେମ୍ବର. ନଭେମ୍ବର 16 ତାରିଖକୁ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ପ୍ରେସ୍ ଡେ ଭାବରେ ପାଳନ କରାଯାଏ. Name the winner of the Turkish Grand Prix 2020. Lewis Hamilton. World's first tram library for children has been inaugurated in which city of India? କୋଲକାତା. କୋଲକାତା ଠାରେ ପୃଥିବୀର ପ୍ରଥମ ଟ୍ରାମ୍ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଇନାଗୁରେଟ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି. Who represented India at the 17th Asian India Summit? ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମୋଦି. 17ତମ ଏସିଆନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ସମିଟରେ ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମୋଦି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କଲେ. ଏସିଆନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଆସୋସିଏସନ୍ ଫର୍ ସାଉଥ୍ ଇଷ୍ଟ ଏସିଆନ୍ ନେସନ୍ସ. What amount of stimulus has been announced by the Finance Ministry under the Atmanirbhar Bharat 3.0? 2.65 lakh crore. Project Air Care has been launched to combat air pollution in which of the regions? ଗୁରଗାଁଓ. ଏୟାର ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଲଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ଗୁରଗାଁଓ ଠାରେ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଏୟାର କେୟାର ଲଞ୍ଚ କରାଯାଇଛି. ଅଙ୍ଗ ସାଂ ସୁ କି has recently won the parliamentary elections 2020 of which country to form the new government? Myanmar. Which Indian city has entered the Guinness World Records for the largest display of oil lamps? Ayodhya. Over 4.8 lakh lamps. How many countries are the members of Group of 77 or G77 coalition has? 134. Recently, its 44th annual meeting was organized. India's permanent representative of UN, T.S. Trimurti. Which ministry approved the creation of first ever national database of unorganized labor? Ministry of Finance. Lonar Lake has been chosen as Ramsar site. It is in which state? Maharashtra. Maharashtra Lonar Lake को रामसर साइट ପାଇଁ ଚୁଜ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି. Sur Sarbar, also known as Keetham Lake, has been chosen as Ramsar site. It is in which state? उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेशର ସୁର ସରୋବରକୁ ରାମସର ସାଇଟ୍ ଭାବେ ଚୁଜ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି. Who has been conferred with the Capital Foundation National Award for his contribution to sports? ନରିନ୍ଦର ବାତ୍ରା. ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଅବଦାନ ପାଇଁ ନରିନ୍ଦର ବାତ୍ରାଙ୍କୁ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଆୱାର୍ଡରେ ସମ୍ମାନିତ କରାଯାଇଛି. Which state government has launched ଜୀବନ ସେବା app for transportation of COVID-19 patients? It will use electric vehicles as an ambulance. Delhi. ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ସରକାର କୋଭିଡ-19 ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସପୋର୍ଟେସନ ପାଇଁ ଜୀବନ ସେବା ଆପ୍ ଲଞ୍ଚ କରିଛନ୍ତି. ଏହାଛଡ଼ା ଗୋଟିଏ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ ଭେହିକଲକୁ ଆମ୍ବୁଲାନ୍ସ ଭାବରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a penalty of rupees 1 crore on which bank for violating the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 recently? ପଞ୍ଜାବ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ. ଭାରତର ରିଜର୍ଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ପଞ୍ଜାବ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ 2007 ର ଆକ୍ଟ ଅନୁସାରେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଓ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ଟକୁ ଲଙ୍ଘନ କରିବା ଅଭିଯୋଗରେ 1 କୋଟି ଟଙ୍କା ପେନାଲ୍ଟି ସ୍ୱରୂପ ଲଦିଛନ୍ତି. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Equitas Small Finance Bank? ସ୍ମୃତି ମନ୍ଧାନା. ସ୍ମୃତି ମନ୍ଧାନା Equitas Small Finance Bankର ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ଆମ୍ବାସାଡର ଭାବେ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ପାଇଛନ୍ତି. Recently, which state government has announced to constitute cow cabinet to conserve and promote cow cattle in the state? ମଧ୍ୟପ୍ରଦେଶ. Recently, who was appointed as the first chairperson of Reserve Bank Innovation Hub? Krish Gopalkrishnan. କ୍ରିସ୍ ଗୋପାଳକୃଷ୍ଣନ ରିଜର୍ଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଇନୋଭେସନ ହବ୍ର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଚେୟାରପର୍ସନ ଭାବେ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ପାଇଛନ୍ତି। The first solar power enabled textile mill in Asia is said to be set up in which Indian state? Maharashtra. ମହାରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ଠାରେ ଏସିଆର ପ୍ରଥମ ସୌରଶକ୍ତି ଚାଳିତ ଟେକ୍ସଟାଇଲ ମିଲ୍ ସେଟଅପ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ନିଆଯାଇଛି। Who has virtually unveiled the statue of peace dedicated to Jain monk ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଶ୍ରୀ ବିଜୟ ବଲ୍ଲଭ ସୁରେଶ୍ୱରଜୀ ମହାରାଜ? ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମୋଦି। ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମୋଦିଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁ ଅଫ୍ ପିସ୍ ଅନଭେଲ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି। Every year the National Naturopathy Day is observed in India on dash 18 November. ପ୍ରତିବର୍ଷ ନଭେମ୍ବର 18 ତାରିଖକୁ ଜାତୀୟ ନେଚୁରୋପାଥି ଡେ ଭାବେ ପାଳନ କରାଯାଏ। PM Modi attended the BRICS Summit 2020 in virtual format under the chairmanship of Russia. The summit was which edition of the annual event? 12th. Name the player who has been awarded the 2020 ATP Tour No. 1 trophy of tennis? Novak Djokovic. During 73rd World Health Assembly, World Health Organization launched the first global strategy to accelerate the elimination of death, cervical cancer. 73ତମ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଆସେମ୍ବଲିରେ ସର୍ଭିକାଲ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସରକୁ ସମୂଳେ ଉତ୍ପାଦନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ WHO ଗ୍ଲୋବାଲ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରାଟେଜି ଲଞ୍ଚ କରିଛି। ହୁଇଚ୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଲଞ୍ଚଡ ମୁହଁ ବନ୍ଦ ରଖ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପେନ୍ ଟୁ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ୍ସ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ସାଇବର ଫ୍ରଡ୍ସ? HDFC ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ। HDFC ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କୁ ସାଇବର ଫ୍ରଡରୁ ରକ୍ଷା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମୁହଁ ବନ୍ଦ ରଖ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପେନ୍ ଲଞ୍ଚ କରିଛନ୍ତି। Who has been appointed as State Icon of Punjab by the Election Commission of India? Sonu Sood. Actor Sonu Sood ECI द्वारा पंजाबर स्टेट आइकन भावे नियुक्ति पाइछन्ति। Who has been named as the brand ambassador for Vice, a healthcare and sanitation product? विराट कोहली। विराट कोहली भाइस नामक गोटे हेल्थकेयर एंड सानिटेशन प्रोडक्ट रो ब्रांड आंबासाडर भावे परिचित अटंती। Who is the author of novel The Last Queen? चित्रा बनर्जी दिवाकरुणी। चित्रा बनर्जी दिवाकरुणी The Last Queen उपन्यासर लेखिका अटंती। Who has authored the latest book The Archer? पाउलो शिलो। पाउलो शिलो The Archer पुस्तकर रचयिता अटंती। Sustainable sanitation and climate change is the theme of World Toilet Day. It is observed on which day? 19 November. नवेम्बर 19 तारिख को वर्ल्ड टॉयलेट डे भावे पालन कराए जार की थीम होची सस्टेनेबल सैनिटेशन एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज। ग्लोबल स्टेबिलिटी, शेयर्ड सिक्योरिटी एंड इनोवेटिव ग्रोथ इज द थीम ऑफ 12th ब्रिक्स समिट। व्हिच कंट्री विल होस्ट द 30th ब्रिक्स समिट? इंडिया। 13तम ब्रिक्स समिट रे इंडिया होस्ट करिवो। Who has chaired the 147th session of WHO Executive Board? हर्षवर्धन। हर्षवर्धन WHO Executive Board रो 147तम सेशन रे अध्यक्षता करिसंती। Which country will host the 2022 FIFA U17 Women's World Cup? India. Which country will host the 2022 FIFA U20 Women's World Cup? Costa Rica. Which state government flagged off medical mobile unit Jeevan Dhara? Himachal Pradesh. India's artificial intelligence supercomputer Param Siddhi has achieved dash rank among top 500 most powerful non-distributed computer systems in the world. 63. Women's Entrepreneurship Day was observed on which day? 19 November. नवेम्बर 19 तारिख रे वुमेन्स एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डे पालन करागला। वर्ल्ड फिलोसफी डे वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन व्हिच डे? 19 नवेम्बर। नवेम्बर 19 तारिख रे वर्ल्ड फिलोसफी डे पालन करागला। द रेसिप्रोकल असेस एग्रीमेंट इज ए डिफेंस डील साइंड बिटवीन व्हिच कंट्रीज टू काउंटर चाइना's growing influence in the South China Sea? जापान एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया। साउथ चाइना सी रे चाइना रो आधिपत्य को काउंटर करने पाई जापान एवं ऑस्ट्रेलिया RAA नाम गोटे डिफेन्स डील साइन करछन्ती। ऑपरेशन कैलिप्सो रन अगेंस्ट टू व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? इंटरनेशनल ड्रग स्मगलिंग। इंटरनेशनल ड्रग स्मगलिंग क्षेत्र रे ताको विरोध करी ऑपरेशन कैलिप्सो आरंभ करा जायछि। Which of the following naval warship has used in Malabar naval exercise phase 2 from Indian side? INS विक्रमादित्य। मालाबार नाभाल एक्सरसाइज रो फेज 2 रे भारत पक्षरु INS विक्रमादित्य नाभाल वारशिप भाबे लॉन्च करा जायछि। Who delivers India's first launch hardware for Gaganyaan mission to ISRO? L&T। Which bank launched CASA mobilization campaign? कर्नाटक बैंक। करेंट अकाउंट और सेविंग्स अकाउंट पे कर्नाटक बैंक काशा नाम गोटे मोबिलाइजेशन कैंपेन लॉन्च करछन्ती। Which sports company partnered with the Board of Control for Cricket in India to be the new kit sponsor of the Team India and merchandise partner? MPL Sports। Virtual ceremony for the launch of RuPay card phase 2 held in which country? Bhutan। $120 million loan signing between Government of India and the World Bank for the implementation of integrated transport project in which state? Meghalaya। मेघालय रे इंटीग्रेटेड ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट रो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पाई इंडिया और वर्ल्ड बैंक मध्य $120 million लोन पाई साइन होईची। Name the New York based Scottish writer who has won the prestigious £50,000 Booker Prize? Douglas Stewart। Samsung launches new AR augmented reality VR virtual reality lab at which IIT? IIT कानपुर। IIT कानपुर ठारे Samsung AR और VR नामक दुईटी लैब लॉन्च करछई। कामधेनु गांव अभयारण्य इज इंडिया's फर्स्ट काउ सेंचुरी। इट इज बेस्ड इन व्हिच स्टेट? मध्य प्रदेश। कामधेनु गांव अभयारण्य होची इंडिया प्रथम गो संरक्षण केंद्र। यह मध्य प्रदेश रे अवस्थित। The Ministry of Food Processing launched the GIS Digital Map of India. What is the full form of ODOP? One district, one purchase. World Fisheries Day observed on which date? 21st November। नवेम्बर 21 तारीख को वर्ल्ड फिशरीज डे भावे पालन करागला। Which state conducts पोषित परिवार सुपोषित कैंपेन इन ऑल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स? उत्तर प्रदेश। उत्तर प्रदेश राज्य सरकार पोषित परिवार सुपोषित नाम गोटे कैंपेन लॉन्च करछन्ती। Which day is observed at the World Children's Day? 20 नवेम्बर। नवेम्बर 20 तारीख को वर्ल्ड चिल्ड्रन डे भावे पालन करा जाए। Realizing the opportunities of 21st century for all is the theme of 15th G20 summit. It was chaired by which country? Saudi Arabia। Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs Chairman Ajit Kumar has inaugurated GST Bhavan in which city? Panchkula, Haryana। हरियाणा रा पंचकुला ठारे CBIC रो चेयरमैन अजित कुमार द्वारा GST भवन इनागुरेट करा जायछि। Which city has become the first city in India to design a plan for development of designated spaces for women's needs? Mumbai। India has set an ambitious target of having 175 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2022 and 450 gigawatt by 2030. Who has released a mind stamp on Chhath Puja? Ravi Shankar Prasad, Union Law Minister. This is all about today's lesson. Hope to meet you in your next video. Goodbye. Thank you.